Unleashing the power of tenses in presentations. Welcome to Toomey Business English. If you like this content, then please like and subscribe to our channel. Using the right tenses. Well, it's like using the right time words when you are telling a story or explaining something. It helps you share information accurately and keeps the audience interested. Now, here's why they are important. Number 1. Clarity and accuracy. Tenses play a crucial role in ensuring the accuracy and clarity of information. By using the correct tenses in terms of clarity and accuracy, you provide a clear indication of when an action or event took place, is taking place, or will take place. This precision helps the audience understand the sequence and timing of events, preventing any misunderstandings or confusion. It allows you to share information in a way that aligns with the facts and accurately represents the intended meaning. Moving on to number 2 as to why the tenses are important. Coherence and organization. Using the appropriate tenses helps maintain coherence and organization in your communication. Consistency in tenses allows the audience to follow the logical progression of ideas and the narrative flow. It helps create a cohesive and well-structured piece of communication, whether it's a story, an essay, a presentation, or any other form of discourse. When your ideas flow smoothly, the audience can easily connect the dots and understand the message you are conveying. Number 3 as to why tenses are important. Context and engagement. Tenses provide valuable context and engage the audience by evoking different feelings and perspectives. By selecting the appropriate tenses, you can enhance the emotional impact and engage the audience on a deeper level. The use of past tense can transport the audience to a specific point in time, creating a sense of nostalgia or reflection. Present tense can make the information feel immediate and alive, generating a sense of involvement and relevance. Future tense can create anticipation and excitement, making the audience curious about what's to come. Number 4 as to the importance of tenses. When discussing time-sensitive information such as news, historical events, or future plans, using the right tenses becomes crucial. They allow the audience to grasp the temporal context and understand the significance of the information being shared. It helps convey the accuracy and relevance of the information within the appropriate time frame, using past tense for historical events, present tense for current news, and future tense for upcoming events or predictions. Number 5 as to why the tenses are important. Tenses also allow you to express different perspectives or points of view. For example, the use of the past perfect tense had can indicate an action that occurred before another past event. This can be useful when comparing or contrasting different timelines, or when explaining cause and effect relationships. By utilizing various tenses, you can enrich your communication by providing nuanced perspectives and enhancing the audience's understanding. Let's now have a recap about what we've just learned. Here's why tenses are so important in terms of grammatical patterns and sentence structure. The use of tenses when delivering a presentation ensure clarity and accuracy. They ensure coherence and organization, context and engagement, time-sensitive information, and the expression of different perspectives. Overall, it's clear that mastering tenses will help us express ideas about past events, present situations, and future plans effectively. I hope you enjoyed the lesson, and please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the Toomey Business English channel.